What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. I have a Moto Razr Ultra. It is a flip phone, as you can see right here. So you can use the outside display, and then you have this nice, beautiful 7-inch display as well on the inside. But I wanted to show you 10 things that you can do on that outside display. So let's get into it. The first thing is you can take photos with it. So you can open up your camera app. I have my camera right here, and I can just tap it and it'll take a photo, or I can tap right here and I can go into slow motion or video. I can mirror, I can do a portrait. I can do a photo booth. I'll go into video real quick right here. I'm in video and I just tap the screen and it records video. I can tap it again and it stops. I can even close this up and use it like this if I want to do a video or a photo or whatever I want to do. So it's really cool that way. You can turn it to the side and capture content that way as well. So capturing videos and photos, really easy to do. Just tap the display once you select video or photo or whatever other thing you have selected. What about playing games? Well, you can on here. I'm going to go into one of these games on here, and if I want, I can play a game on this thing really easily. Like, how cool is that to have just the little display open and you can play a game, whatever it may be, this like soccer game or maybe another game. There's another game that you can play, all kinds of games on here, kind of like a Tetris type game. And it's really smooth. And, you know, sometimes you do want a smaller display. Maybe you just want to be able to stand this up, or maybe you just want to use it in a way that you haven't used it in a while, whatever. Maybe you want a smaller display. It could be a multitude of reasons why you would want the phone to be in this orientation. It's just kind of an interesting, cool way to use it and have it feel different overall with the phone. Another cool thing is you can go into your Google Photos app on here and look at your photos and videos, and you can even pinch in and, you know, edit them and all that kind of stuff as well. Here's a video playing, so it plays videos, photos. You can turn it sideways and get different orientations. You're able to change the wallpaper and the theme on here. I can come in here and I can do it to the lock screen. We'll do it to the lock screen first. If I had any photos, I can tap on that. I can change the way the clock looks if I want. I can change the color of the clock. I can hit save. I can come over here and change this to max or lighter if I want it to do. I can go into themes, and there's all kinds of themes to choose from, as you can see right here. It can be really, really fun and interactive, the way that you potentially would want it. Maybe like, oh, you know, I really like that. I'm going to hit save. And now when I turn that display off and my lock screen comes on, I have this cool way to get to it, which is really neat. And you can also do that with this display as well. You just go to home screen, and again, you go into photos or change the way the clock looks or the color of the clock, or come into themes and choose different themes. It's so easy. And then you just hit save and you have that theme right there. You can even change the backgrounds as well if you want. Really easy to do. Hit save at the bottom and you're good to go. A very understated fact, but just double tap that display and you got your weather and your time right there. You can see 63 degrees, how much battery life, your time. Again, it's just a nice little thing to have on here to be able to do that. What about watching YouTube videos? That's right. You can come on here and play YouTube videos. And they look great. They're really small, but it's pretty freaking cool how they look on here. You don't want to hold your phone. You want to put it into this mode right here. You can come in here and watch videos as well. It's pretty neat how it does that. You can check your notifications. I can just tap right here and it shows me my notifications. I can go through these and cycle through these and interact with my notifications. Like if I tap on, let's see, this one right here, it's going to bring me right to the article that it's talking about so that I can come in here and read it. Pretty cool, right? Be able to read articles right on here and interact with your notifications. You can pull down your quick toggles to see your quick toggles and control those and turn your phone off. So notifications, quick toggles, all accessible from basically anywhere. Swipe down or tap right here and you can get to your notifications. You can go into your phone app on here and make phone calls, which is Again, amazing. It's so cool on such a small display. You don't have to open your phone up. It's usually going to be closed no matter what if you're pulling it out of your pocket. So easily accessible phone calls. I kind of showed this a little bit earlier, but you can open up Chrome and go to websites on here if you want to do some shopping on Amazon, or you want to go to Wikipedia and read an article about something, whatever it is, look at photos, any of that stuff on the Chrome browser. All of it is accessible on here to be able to do that. What about listening to music? Come in here, open up your Spotify or YouTube Music, and you can choose pretty much whatever you want in here and play music as you see fit, and easily control it from here as well. Change the song, play, pause, add it to your playlist, whatever you want. Some other cool things that you can do are, if you press and hold on any of these screens, you can go into manage panels, and you have all these different panels that you can add or remove. On here, you can rearrange them if you want. Like if you want your weather to be first or second, you can do that. Well, I guess it's first because after home it would be first. You can hit the plus sign and add more of these. You got timers, apps, calendars, widgets panels. So if you want to add your widgets or your stocks, you can do all that. And then when you're done, just hit your back button, and then you can hit the back button again, go home. And when you swipe through these, like for instance, there's my weather. Here's my stock quotes that I can watch in real time. And then if I had any widgets, I can come in here, I can tap the widget and like add one of these widgets that maybe fits my lifestyle. Maybe I want to do like a YouTube music widget, and I can come in here and choose that, hit add widget, or tap and hold, I should say. And then we go, and I have a quick widget to play music or whatever it may be. So there you guys go. There's a bunch of things that you can do on your Moto Razr Ultra on the outside display. If you want to pick this phone up, I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.